taking my goose to go visit the chickens to get them associated with each other. They're both very curious. Little Lucy was quite scared. At first she panicked, but I wanted to know if Lucy would follow me, and she does. She's a really cool goose. It almost looks like a duck. The head and the beak's different. Yep. She's exploring, she's just learning. She's picking on my new grass. Those little orbs. I did drop some clover seed. So that's now spread all throughout the property. What we need to do, I have some grass growing in. It's very light. I will get this whole thing Dixie Crimson clover seeded in. I'm just gonna start fixing the soil here. And then eventually we'll get some chop and drop going, or maybe the soil build up. It's gonna take some time. I'm gonna be here quite a while. We'll get this all fixed up and we'll get to growing. Utilize more of this backyard. I attempted to grow grass, but I guess it's good for her. It's a natural food source of vitamins that I don't have inside. She's been eating chicken and goat feed. And those saw-like teeth, those will pull the roots out. She can really get a grip on them. Can't be alone for 2 seconds? Can I get you on film? You wanna keep following me? You wanna stand still so I can take a picture of you?